Here is how to identify and block spam calls on your Android phone. While you can't always be 100% sure that the call is spam, these features can help. So, first, open your phone app, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and then tap on Settings. Then, after tap on Caller Information, or you might also get the option of Caller ID and Spam Protection. I have the option of Caller Information, so I'll go ahead and tap on it. Always ensure that the show contact phone number is enabled, and also the option of show extra details is also enabled. Come back and go to the block numbers option. And if you know specific numbers that you want to block and you want to add them in the blocked numbers section, you can also block calls from unknown numbers. So that's it. I hope this helps you reduce spam calls. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. I'll see you again in the next one.